Here we have a 2023 on a 23 registration Isuzu EVM Grand Toro 35-seat midi coach. Now, I've had to have a little very quick education on these this morning because obviously it's a new product to the market. So the first question you're going to ask me is, why are they for sale? Well, we're selling them on behalf of Ria's Coaches up in Cumbria, and I think the reasons, I've had a chat with Chris and he said there's nothing wrong with them. He says actually he does like them a lot. He said but really he wanted white ones, but the only ones available straight away were these graphite ones. So he has got 4 new white ones on order for after the summer. So he thought he'd test the market with these. So the pair we have are finished in graphite metallic. One thing I like about these, this is going to be a big seller for a lot of people, luggage. Forget the spare wheel, but huge boot, and hiding behind that, you can just see it, if I get the angle right, there is a reverse camera. And then as we come down the near side, obviously you've got the side access to the boot, but you've got these massive side lockers that go right through. So basically, you know, there's a centre aisle carpet hiding under there, but basically you've got those lockers, and on top of the drive line, engine is behind this locker here. It's a little 205 horsepower 6-cylinder Cummins engine, Euro 6 obviously, driven through Allison World Series fully automatic gearbox. Euroliner wheel trims are fitted. Power operated plug door. I'll tell you what these remind me of when I first look at them. If you look at the shape and sort of the wheelbase and everything else, they remind me a lot of Thames or Opaline and Ottocar Navigo. A lot in common. Obviously the Thames or Opaline had the engine in the same place, but that was MAN. Ottocar Navigo had same driveline and the engine in the same place. What it gives you is high clearance at the front, which you've got this little automatic step that comes out, power operated plug type door, and then when we jump on board it's just like a little coach. So 35 reclining seats with 3-point seat belts. They're finished in this 2-tone half leather trim. Also got sideways movement. They've got the carbon fibre finish to the armrests. Also USB connections at every seat. But the headroom is phenomenal. I mean, Chris is north of 6 foot and he stood up here where I am now at the back and his head was nowhere near the ceiling. We're fully air conditioned. We're fully air conditioned as well. As I said, there is a centre aisle carpet, but it is in the lockers. But we've got wood effect flooring, trace to the seat backs. So what's its main selling points? Let's go back to Varios. Right, you had your Varios that were doing very high teens, mileage wise. If they were driven correctly, they would do early 20s. But they're a van with seats and they were noisy. Alternative is like that, your little Thamesers, your little Yutongs, but you're getting pretty much coach MPG on a smaller number of seats. So this sort of slots right in the middle, where because it's lightweight, you're getting high teens mileage, but the comfort of your little coach, like your little MD9, your little TC9. So I think, you know, once again, Mr. McGee has got another one right. You know, they're nimble, they're a little bit narrower. They're nimble. They've got more manoeuvrability. They're shorter. They're just you know, they also remind me of them little buses that run around on Isle of Capri, you know, so proper little coach, but mini coach mileage. That's the big seller. So we've lane departure and automated emergency braking system. Obviously that little thing up there has been nicked from the dentist, just in case you need your teeth checking. But I think these will do well on the market, and I'm interested to see how well these do when we advertise them for sale. To recap, it's 2023 on a 23 registration. Isuzu EVM Grand Toro 35 seat midi coach.